Gaganda dito mga kaibigan, sa botanical ho tayo. O yan, yung binabaan natin na steps, ganon. It's very nice dito, makikita ho natin. Yung ano dito, may ganito na mga steps. Babain natin ito mga kaibigan. Alam nyo kasi, diba? Tingnan nyo dito. Ang pagbababa natin doon. It is here in Tagum City ho ito. Botanical mga kaibigan. Nasa botanical ho tayo ng Tagum City. Dito tayo. Oh. Ganda dito. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Anda, diba? Yun, daanan yan patungo doon sa labas. Doon. Yung pinaka main entrance. Yung daan na yan. Ayan. Nagawa na pala ng daan dito. Ilang steps na to? Nasa mga 3,000 steps na to ah. Patungo doon. Kasi ang lalaki ng botanical park mga kaibigan here in Tagum City. There is a lot of trees, no? There is a lot of trees mga kaibigan are planted here in order to be called is more trees here, no? Mga kaibigan, no? Tingnan nyo. Yung sarap dito. Dito tayo mag-upo. May kasama ka. Oh. Tingnan mo. Oh. Botanical Garden of Tagum City. It is one of those, it is a descriptions, mahogany tree. Scientific name, yun. Swietenia macrophylla. Yun mga kaibigan. It's all mahogany tree here mga kaibigan. Yung mahogany tree mga kaibigan, it is not a native here in the soil of the Philippines. It is from the another countries. Mga kaibigan. No, ilang steps na to. Diba? Kung makikita ho natin. If you want to experience here, just to visit, no? Try to visit here botanical. Babain natin to para masilip na to yung bagong the new development of this area. Because before, there is no like this. But it's totally to develop. These trees are still growing, no? Before it's still small, but now you see there is a lot of trees here. Marang, santol, yun, ang ganda dito. Ganda dito mga kaibigan. Gaganda dito, di ba? Yung yan, may ano dito. Di ba? May cushion dito. Just to visit here in order to take more time to our life mga kaibigan. It is because it's very important that our eyes is to see more greens because it can develop, it can boost our heart and also in our mind cells can be boosted. Always not to see more things outside, they see more buildings, but the needs our eyes, our mind need for greens mga kaibigan like this. I'm very much happy. Thank you so much, the Almighty Father who art in heaven now. That's given this place to be protected, no? It's called a protected area here in Tagum City. It's called a botanical garden. There is a lot of trees to be planted here, mga kaibigan, and different kinds of trees, fruit trees, and many others here, mga kaibigan. And any plants, botanical is considered as a protected area of Tagum City, mga kaibigan. Yo, diba? Kung makikita ho ninyo, ang dami ho dito, di ba? Yung mga ano po, there is a lot of things to be happen when we are here, no?